Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are trading on the OTC market. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it and comment any question you have or any doubt you have regard to this broker or this strategy. Today I will explain a very simple strategy with price action and a simple indicator which is RSI. Okay, let's see here. We are having some alert and the price is breaking some lines, resistant lines. And we are trading based on this behavior. Okay, let's check here. If the price closes like this, we will make an entry. Okay, let's do it for 1 minute. Only for 1 minute, guys. Let me check the other one. Okay, no, this one has a long wick. I don't like. Okay, let me check how this trade is going. But I think this kind of entry are perfect. Let me do another one just in case to cover the first entry. Okay, guys, let me explain to you how this strategy works for me. This is my real account. Okay, this is my real account and I will show you everything. If you are new on my channel, I will show you a tutorial, a simple tutorial on how to use this platform, this broker, since the beginning, and how you can also earn $100. Like me, for example, I just earned $95 in less than 2 minutes. So you can also do it if you apply patiently this trading strategy. Okay, so below this video on the description I will leave you a complete tutorial on how to do it since the beginning and applying this trading strategy. But it's very simple. If you already know some knowledge about trading, this strategy is really simple. I love breakout. Okay, I love breakout, and what just happened here was a breakout. We can see here a big candle that broke this level, this resistance level. So it means that the buyers here have a lot of strength. So, but besides this, we also the kind of candle without any wick, none in the upper side, neither on the downside. So, but besides this, we also have a previous movement. A preview um, British movement. That is really good for this strategy. So we can also use this RSI indicator with the default setting, okay, as another signal. The signal consists, that every time that the price is over this green line, we can assume that the market is going on an overbought position. That means that the buyer can continue with a lot of strength. As simple as that. In another video that I will make, I will explain details by details everything about this strategy and the market condition for this kind of strategy. It has to be trendy like this one. We can see here that we have a market condition, you know, that is trendy. So the best way to apply this strategy is to wait an entry, a breakout here on this resistance level. So after this level is broken, we can wait an entry here to the upper side. Okay, so we can make a call option. So let me check. Oh, we could do another one here. We could do another one with this small candlestick, but it's okay. I was just explaining to you. Let me check. We can trace another support level here. If this support level is broken again, we could make a trade. I mean a put option here. We can make a put option. Okay, let me check. Here we want this. What else? Here, let me place an alert just in case the price broke this level. Okay, here we can see a pullback to the resistance level. We can also take advantage of it. Okay, let's check. Let's wait. Let's wait. But remember, guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe it to this channel so that we can upload videos every week or every 2 days. Okay, let me check. Okay, here we have another opportunity. This opportunity is because the market is producing a pullback to the resistance level, this resistance level. Okay, let's just wait a candlestick pattern. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let me also teach you the Facebook group and the partners that we are following. Just give me a moment. Okay, guys, we had an alert here which was broken, so let's wait for this candlestick to be closed. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's just missing 30 minutes. 30 minutes. No, 30 seconds. Sorry. We have to decide, but no, I don't like. Okay, it was not broken. The level was not broken. Was just a trap. Okay, let's place another. Let me check. No, I didn't see any candlestick pattern on this pullback. Okay, let's wait a little bit more. Okay, guys, I just wanna show you this Facebook group that we have. Trading strategy to earn money with binary options. Here we have these pictures about all candlestick pattern that we can follow while we are trading. So I just recommend you to join us on Facebook and download these pictures and analyze them. Analyze everything and then okay, I'm sorry for interrupting. But here we are also having another opportunity. If okay, here we go. I will wait if this candlestick make a pullback to this level. Let me show you to at least this level. I can also make another entry because remember I'm trading this breakout. It's okay, I don't see. Let me check another. Okay, here we go again. But I don't see the breakout yet. I don't see it yet. see. Let me check this one. Yeah, this one is near to my level. Okay, I don't see. No, long week. It's not for me. Okay, guys, we won again. Guys, I think that's it for today. Remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe so that we can upload some more videos with enough motivation. Guys, if you like this strategy or if you want to understand something else, let me know on the comment section. And please subscribe it. That's it for today. Okay guys, I just saw another opportunity here. I think the price it will continue. It will continue on the uptrend. So that's why I made the last entry here. Okay, I just want to wait because this small candlestick is an indecision candlestick. Okay, let's wait. Remember the Facebook group. Download these pictures and let's share something on this Facebook group. If you have any question or any comments, don't hesitate and do it. Okay, we are winning. We are also winning this trade. We're winning this trade, and guys, we won this trade too. We won $47. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the next video.